Legal dictation. 5 seconds. Comments. The appellants, who are registered auxiliary nurse midwives, complain that the Uttarakhand High Court's ruling 1 regarding their ineligibility for appointment to the cadre of family health worker, auxiliary nurse midwives, and health supervisor is erroneous. The government of Uttarakhand had advertised on 15/3/2016 440 vacancies of FHW and ANM relative to several years' backlog. The advertisements were challenged as being contrary to the recruitment rules. The challenge was upheld by a single judge who allowed the writ petitions and whose decision was affirmed by the impugned judgment. The erstwhile United Provinces enacted a law brought into force with effect from 25/8/1934. The object of the UP law was to provide for registration of nursing profession. The UP law was later amended and a definition of auxiliary nurse midwife was inserted. With effect from 31/12/1947, the Indian Nursing Council Act 1947 was brought into force. Its objective was to set up a central council to establish a uniform standard of training for nurses, midwives, and health visitors. Section 16 of the INC Act enables the Council to prescribe curricula for training and conditions for admission. Section 10 of the Act enacted that qualifications included in Part 1 of the schedule shall be recognized qualifications and the qualifications included in Part 2 of the schedule shall be recognized higher qualifications. The composite state of Uttar Pradesh framed the Uttar Pradesh Department of Medical Health and Family Welfare Health Worker and Health Supervisor Male and Female Services Rules 1997, hereafter referred to as the 1997 Rules, under the proviso to Article 309 of the Constitution of India. Rule 5 Class 1 of the 1997 Rules prescribed that direct recruitment through the Public Service Commission of health worker male would be from amongst such male candidates who successfully complete the 1-year basic health worker training course conducted by the departmental divisional training centers of the state. Likewise, Rule 5 Class 2 prescribed for direct recruitment through the Public Service Commission from amongst such female candidates who have successfully completed 1.5 year basic Mahila health worker training course including 6-month training related to deliveries, conducted by the Uttar Pradesh Nurses and Midwives Council, Lucknow. Such candidates also had to be duly registered under the Uttar Pradesh Nurses and Midwives Council, Lucknow. Rule 8, which is relevant for the purpose of deciding this batch of appeals, reads as follows. It is in this background that on 15/3/2016 an advertisement was issued by the Uttarakhand government inviting applications for appointment of trained ANMs in terms of the prevailing rules. However, the appointment did not spell out that the candidates ought to have finished their schooling with science as a subject. The relevant eligibility criteria in the said advertisement read as follows. Eligibility criteria. Candidate must have acquired educational qualifications prescribed by Indian Nursing Council, New Delhi. Candidate must be registered with Uttarakhand Nurses and Midwives Council, Dehradun. Photocopies of the statement of marks and the certificates shall be attached. Jurisdiction of Uttaranchal High Court. The High Court of Uttaranchal shall have, in respect of any part of the territories included in the state of Uttaranchal, all such jurisdictions, powers and authority as under the law in force immediately before the appointed day are exercisable in respect of that part of the said territories by the High Court at Allahabad.